It's not one of those rare instances where the Russians were involved. You must read the Mitrokhin papers. It's a very large volume in which graphic detail had been given as to how the Indian system, Indian establishment, Indian parliamentarians, Indian media had been penetrated by KGB, by money, by influence, by positions, by travels, by importance, by projection. And that paper itself says there is a competition between us and CIA, and both of us were penetrating. And so in India, whether it is a civil servant or judge or anybody, has some kind of association with any of these groups, and you must understand how many would have stood by India. So these were all happening ahead of the emergency. It's not that emergency could come just like that. A cabinet secretary could have stopped the emergency. A home secretary could have resigned. I don't want to implement the emergency. If the Supreme Court, 5 judges had said emergency is wrong, emergency would have gone. They praised the emergency. Somebody said maternal care. And one person who became the Chief Justice for the next 5 years or 7 years, he said, I see diamond hot and diamond bright future for India, and these people are unnecessarily running down this country. You can understand to what extent the English educated Indian who is pursuing career can let down the country. And it is only the ordinary farmer, the villager, the uneducated fellow. At that time, the literacy rate in India was far less than maybe half of what it is today. They stood up and ensured that there can be no emergency at all in this country. Once and for all, the Janta rule, whether it did anything else or not, whether it failed or succeeded, it ensured that the constitution can never be perverted by any dictator hereafter. The lesson of emergency is, the story of emergency is one thing, the lessons of emergency is another. I will tell you 1 or 2 instances of how the emergency situation developed. One, I told you about this